Hi, I'm Hannah, I'm 12 years old and I'm going to tell you about the Sydney Cooking School. My cooking skills aren't that bad, but I'm hoping I'll learn some new things. First we had to make the chocolate fondant because it has to be in the fridge for an hour to set, because I love to eat chocolate. It was a little bit messy, but it tasted really good.
It wasn't as hard as I felt making chocolate fondant.
And then we made the pizza because it has to go in the oven. I learned how to roll the dough properly for the pizza. And then finally we made the sushi. It was really fun.
So you've got to gently move it to the side.
Brett the chef was really nice and funny, and he made cooking a whole lot easier. Today I've accomplished mastering rolling sushi, which I've always stuffed up before, so that's pretty good. Mum will probably be very happy because she'll get a night of cooking, and I'm hoping my family will be pretty impressed.
It's amazing. I love the melted chocolate in the middle.
I would definitely recommend coming to the Sydney Cooking School because you get to learn lots of new skills and have a heap of fun.